What if one small bump turned into a $5,000 bill and you had no clue how to fight it? Listen up, because filing an auto insurance claim is boring until it saves your bank account. Look at the whole thing step by step, minus the legalese and the fake sympathy. First, breathe. Panic makes people sign things they regret. That includes insurance forms. Quick heads up, I'll drop terms like adjuster. That's the person who figures out money stuff. Also deductible, you're part of the bill before insurance pays. Tiny sentence done. Why should you care right now? Because accidents happen while you're scrolling memes? 1 minute you're fine, the next your bumper has a personality and it's not the good kind. Here's the short, ugly truth. If you screw this up, you pay, or your rates climb like a vine. But if you do it right, they pay what they owe and you sleep better. Promise. Step 1. Safety and scene control. Get out if it's safe. Move to a safe spot, call 911 if needed. If it's minor and legal, snap photos. Lots of photos. Every angle. Your phone is evidence now. People ask, do I need a police report? Sometimes yes, sometimes not. Check local rules. Pro tip. Even if the cop is fashionably late, file a report for anything more than a fender kiss. Step 2. Exchange info like an adult. Name, number, license plate, insurance company, and policy. Don't argue. Arguing gets you adrenaline. Adrenaline gets you blamed. Be polite, be boring. Step 3. Call your insurer. You can also file online, whichever doesn't make you cry. Say the facts. No monologues. Don't improvise a story that makes you sound dramatic. They'll open a claim and give you a claim number. Write it down like it's your new pen. Now, bargaining chips, photos, police reports, witness contact, and honest notes about what happened. Witnesses are gold. A neutral witness is like a neutral referee in the sports drama of car collisions. Here's a tiny legalish thing. Avoid admitting fault. I'm sorry is sympathy. It's not evidence. Say, I'm okay, not my fault. Insurance companies love literal quotes. Next, meet the adjuster. They inspect damage and decide repair or payout. Think of them as math people. If they offer a lowball estimate, don't flinch. You can push back with photos or an independent estimate. Want to speed things up? Go to a recommended repair shop. Many insurers work faster that way, but watch out. Some repair shops play buddy-buddy with insurers. Get a second opinion if unsure. Here's a wild stat to stress urgency. Some people lose evidence because they procrastinate. Don't be them. Want your car fixed fast? Or do you want maximum payout? Pick one. Both are tricky. If your car is undrivable, call for a tow and keep towing receipts. These are reimbursable often. Rental cars. Check your policy. Some policies include rental coverage. Others make you cry into your steering wheel. If you have rental coverage, they usually cover a reasonable car, while yours gets surgery. If not, use credit card coverage or bargain a deal with the repair shop. Small wins add up. Now let's talk about the dreaded deductible. That's the chunk you always pretend you don't care about. If your deductible is $500 and the damage is $400, congratulations, you pay everything. But if the damage is $4,000, the insurer pays $3,500 after your $500 deductible. Math but fairish. Here's the secret move. If the other party is unequivocally at fault, file through their insurance. It can avoid your deductible and prevent your rates from ticking up like a slow alarm clock. If the other driver is uninsured, welcome to the worst plot twist. Use uninsured motorist coverage. If you don't have that coverage, call your insurer and be nice. Sometimes they help, sometimes not. People panic about rate hikes. Yes, claims can raise premiums, but fault rules and forgiveness programs vary. Small tactic. Check if your insurer has a claims-free forgiveness or accident forgiveness program. If they do, one minor claim might not tank your rate, not maybe bite the bill and avoid the claim. This is where many mess up. Signing a full release too early. Hey, don't sign anything that says no more. Sign only after repairs and payouts are confirmed. Otherwise, you could lose leverage forever. Short microstory. My friend Mike filed sloppy, signed too fast, and the insurer sent a check, then ghosted. He ended up paying the balance. Don't be a Mike. Be wiser, slightly nastier with paperwork. Cliffhanger, and yes, I'm being dramatic. There's a single document most people forget that flips claims. Want to know what it is? Keep watching, the reveal's coming, and it's gold for your settlement. Back to tactics. Document everything. Calls, dates, names, numbers, what was said. It's your timeline. Use your phone notes app. If you forget names, write them down. People are sketchy with recall. Negotiations stall. Get an independent estimate from a certified shop. It gives you a second mode. If the insurer lowballs, you can file an appeal or hire a public adjuster, a pro who argues for you. Public adjusters get paid a cut, so weigh the damage size before hiring one. Small claim, small fight. Legal option. If you've got clear liability and big damages, a lawyer might be warranted. Lawyers take a percentage, but they also know how to push insurers into paying fair settlements. Another cliffhanger. There's a trick that forces faster processing from insurers. An escalation phone number. Call the claims manager if your case sits. Managers like moving things off their desk. Also use social media carefully. A polite tweet to the company sometimes moves mountains. Now the reveal that document people miss. The repair, estimate comparison, keep it and present it. 2 or 3 shop estimates make your case very real. Insurers hate guesswork and love numbers. Practical takeaway. Document everything. Get multiple estimates, keep receipts, and don't sign early. If you want speed, use the insurer's network shops. If you want maximum money, get independent quotes. If the other driver is clearly at fault, file through them to avoid your deductible and rate spike. Recap without being boring. Stay safe. Document. Notify insurer. Get claim number. Hold your papers. One last real fear to plant. Procrastination destroys claims. Evidence fades. Memories warp. Chances vanish. So act now. Take photos. Call your insurer. Collect witness details. And save receipts like a squirrel. If you did all that and still feel lost, call a consumer advocate or your state insurance department. They can help mediate fights where the insurer suddenly discovers frugality at your expense. If you want to avoid paying thousands, watch the next video on auto insurance basics. It shows exact steps to choose the right coverage and avoid costly surprises. Add that to your brain. Thanks for watching. If this saved you time, sanity, or money, like, comment your story, subscribe, drop a comment. What's your worst minor accident moment? I'll read the spicy ones. Don't be shy. End screen idea. Click the Auto Insurance Basics video next if you want to avoid paying thousands. That next video shows the exact steps to choose coverage and stop surprise bills in their tracks. Appreciate you for sticking till the end. Go fix that claim like a grown-up, and then treat yourself.